Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So for today's video, I decided to do a video on how I remove my makeup, and I figured this video is such an important video just because a lot of people forget on how to remove their makeup like all the way. So I'm just gonna show you some tips and tricks and what I use personally to remove all my makeup. You guys want to see how I go from this to this? Just keep on watching. So first things first, always remove your lashes, but don't pull from the front. You pull from the back, like from the end. This minimizes the amount of lashes you pull out. This helps you like kind of take your take the most pressure from the outside, and it doesn't pull out your lashes like if you would from the beginning. So after you do that, I technically go in with a balm, like an oil balm, to like remove my makeup. It doesn't matter if my face is oily. I just tend to do that. I just prefer the way it helps melt and break down everything. There's so many out there, so many brands are coming out with the same thing, but the only two I use are the Clinique Take the Day Off Balm and the Nyx Cleansing Balm. So I'm going to show you both. I'm going to do one and one. They pretty much do the same thing. This is a little bit more expensive, but I mean, you get a lot more than you get here. This is what it looks like inside. As you guys can see, it's already been like dug in there. So on my right side, I'm going to use a Clinique Take Off the Day. And on my left side, I'm going to use the Nyx Cleansing Balm. And this one looks like this. It has like more of a blue look to it instead of clear. What I tend to do with both, well, with them, I just kind of stick my finger in there, grab a little bit on the back of my finger, apply it on the face, and kind of rub it into the skin. You rub it in. Even I go on the eyebrows and on the eye makeup. It removes everything. Yeah, and liquid lipsticks. I know you guys, I look like a crazy person, but trust me, this helps so much. This is the Clinique side. I'm gonna go ahead and take the NYX one and kind of do the same thing, just apply it on the skin. This one's a little thicker and a little bit more like, I don't know, cooler. It has like a cooling sensation. So just same thing, make sure you rub it into the face. Can you guys see how both of them just kind of lift up the makeup, like everything's coming off? So, and it looks so crazy. So I go in with makeup wipes right after. I'm gonna go ahead and clean it, and then I'll explain to you why I have a wipey container. Do you guys see how it just wiped everything off? Ignore my face on how it looks like all red. I have sensitive skin, so if I touch it or anything, it just tends to get red. But do you guys see how everything just came off? Like, I usually tend to go in with two wipies just because I feel like one wipey kind of keeps moving the product in there even though it takes it out, but the second one kind of goes in and gets what the other one couldn't. The first wipey couldn't. You have to go underneath the eyes. For the eyes, I kind of tend to take like the wipey and just my finger and like rub it lightly. You don't want to rub too hard. when it comes to your eyes, just because they're really sensitive. Just kind of like take your time with the eyes. Ever since I tried this, I fell in love with it just because it's so good. Like, it saves you the hassle of having to struggle and like rub like the makeup wipe in your face. I just feel like this makes your life 1,000 times better. So either or product, I mean, they both do the same. I just love them both. The makeup wipes I use are the Kirkland brand. They're the Costco brand. I just feel like they're the most affordable makeup wipes. I just prefer these. They work so well, and they are for all skin types. They're really soft on the skin. Like, they're not rough or anything, which I really love. But I don't like the packaging. I hate this. I used to have them in this packaging, and I feel like they would break in the back and they would leak, or they just wouldn't stay as wet throughout the whole day. So what I invested in was a wipey container for, like, for little kids, and I just kind of stuff them in there. I just kind of take them out, and they literally fit perfectly in there. Like, I have 2 piles, so I like stuff it up. I don't stuff it all the way to the top just because I feel like it doesn't, like, they kind of dry up a little. So I just kind of tend to like fill it up, like up to like right here. It saves me the struggle of having to like open this and close this all the time. It keeps the wipes pretty moist all the time. It's just a lifesaver. I just kind of like open it and get one, and it saves time. Like, I love doing this so much. Like, after I've removed all my makeup, I mean, I don't just leave it like this. I have to go in and cleanse my face, and then I go in with my Clarisonic Mia face brush cleaner. But what I love that it has like 2 steps, so it has like a stronger one and a lower one. So I love that. I would recommend you investing in one of these. It doesn't have to be this particular one. I know I had another one that was like $20, and it was so much more affordable. I just feel like you need a brush to really go in there and deep clean your skin. Doesn't matter what kind of brush, just get a brush like that has bristles, so you can really massage it. Even if it's like those manual, make sure you use a brush, and helps so much. You can see how it like, it just like clears up after a while. Like, I've tried a million like face washes. I've tried them all. I have so many. So what I use, I've been using the Cerave foaming facial cleansing, and what I like about this is that it has hyaluronic acid, and that really helps with the large pores and like the oily skin. So when you finish washing your face, make sure you pat dry your face. Don't rub, like, don't rub on your skin, like rub it. Just make sure you pat it dry. Just because you rubbing it is causing you to have more wrinkles along the like time. Like, you're gonna stretch out your skin. And I mean, after that, just go in with your skincare, and that is a whole other video. I use this to wash my face and to remove my makeup completely. I'm gonna go ahead and go wash my face so you guys can see the difference, and I'll be right back. So this is me after I finished washing my face and everything. I still need to go in with skincare, but after all, it wasn't hard. My skin feels so much more better after removing my makeup this way, just because I know I get rid of everything. So you guys, this kind of completes this video on how I remove my makeup and what I do every single time. I hope you guys enjoyed. Please don't forget to subscribe, like the video, and don't forget to enter my giveaway. All the details are on the last week's video. So I'll see you guys in my next video. Thank you.